In today's video, I'll show you how to install a 100% save file in Assassin's Creed Valhalla. Check my video description for this save file and save tool download link. Once download done, right click on the save tool and select WinRAR and select extract to. Do the same thing for save files. Open the save tool folder, open the AC save tool exe file, decryption ID, checkmark this detect in game. Click on the drop-down and select Assassin's Creed Valhalla. Encryption ID, click on this three dot icon and navigate to your game folder. Open saves, random number, and this is your save files. Select one of the auto save and select open. If you can't find your save file in that location, then check my video description for this save file path. Navigate to this path. In save file, select open option and navigate to the 100% save file and select open. Select convert option. Convert has done. Close tab here and go to downloads and open the save file. Here is the backup and this is the converted file. Right click and select copy and navigate to the save location. Paste the save file and now you can start the game. Once you are in game, go to load game and scroll down and select this manual save. And as you can see, the 100% save file successfully loads. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.